Shocking case studies. The following are the stories of some of the businesses and marketers that have successfully used LinkedIn as a platform to launch their online campaigns and have reached their goals in the process, even surpassing their initial expectations by a long shot. Use them as inspiration to keep growing. Aspect. Aspect is a company specialized in customer satisfaction software. Their primary product is the delivery of great software-based solutions that help companies of all sizes to deliver seamless, uncompromising customer experiences across any conversation and channel. The company stated that their main objective was to promote their leadership-oriented content to decision-makers in the IT and customer experience industries. They also wanted to attract more qualified traffic to their company website and blog. The company made use of LinkedIn's marketing platform to perform their duties by using promoted content advertising to promote white papers, webinars, and infographics. They mainly targeted job titles, from IT managers and above. The results were amazing to say the least, with an increase of over 322% in engagement on LinkedIn, a 290% increase in traffic to the company's website and blog, and a 17% increase in the number of followers on their company page. Binder. Binder is a software company focused on delivering only the highest quality when it comes to digital asset management, branding automation, and marketing solutions. It offers companies the right tools to easily create, find, and use the right type of content. When Binder launched their award-winning digital asset management platform in 2013, they faced the challenge of having to compete with entities that were established, so their objective was to generate a healthy amount of sales leads amongst enterprise-level prospects. The company used LinkedIn to deliver original content that could be used as digital assets that were tailored for different stages of the buyer journey, such as their Digital Asset Management for Dummies guide, sponsored content that was personalized for different size businesses, and by using LinkedIn lead-generating forms pre-filled with profile data pulled from the platform. Binder beat all its cost per acquisition targets by delivering a conversion rate to leads that was close to 2%, which was achieved in the first 5 months of the campaign. Also, the completion rate of lead generation forms jumped to 20%, and the rate at which leads were generated skyrocketed to 500%. BlackRock. BlackRock is currently the largest asset manager for individuals, companies, financial professionals, and institutions in the world. It has a large portfolio of clients from all around the globe and from all walks of life, and its mission is as simple as it is noble: to help people and companies of all sizes to achieve a better financial future. BlackRock's objective was to deepen the understanding that potential clients had about its brand, and to achieve this objective, the company decided to target and engage sophisticated investors with highly relevant content. The company used LinkedIn as a platform for content distribution and user engagement by streamlining communication and engagement with its target audience through sponsored content posts. Well, this strategy allowed BlackRock to reach qualifying clients with basic educational information, as well as with detailed asset management material. BlackRock was able to truly reach a uniquely targeted and niche audience through its partnership with LinkedIn, acquiring over 222,000 followers on its company page, breaking industry benchmarks for engagement rates by 4 times, outperforming its competitors, and increases its brand value by 2%. Callaway Golf. Callaway Golf is an American sports company that designs, manufactures, markets, and sells golf-related products such as equipment and accessories, as well as lifestyle products centered on the game of golf, and distributes them to more than 70 countries. The objective of the company was to broaden its reach by re-energizing its brand through a marketing campaign geared towards its more digitally inclined prospects, which incidentally are digitally connected professionals with a shared passion for golf. LinkedIn is home to Callaway Golf's perfect target audience, which is comprised by a demographic of professional individuals who are also golf lovers. They used the LinkedIn platform to launch an app called Hit the Links, which allowed the company to collect information from member profiles through the LinkedIn API. The company's strategy worked like a charm and proved that brands have a large impact when market players can see its audience not only engaging with an interactive campaign launched by the brand's parent company, but also encouraging other people to engage as well. The company gained 1,500 new followers on its company page, an 83% lift in positive sentiment towards the company on the social platform, and a 32% increase in open rates for its sponsored email content. ConnectWise. ConnectWise is one of the world's leading companies in the world of business management systems. With over 100,000 users worldwide, ConnectWise allows individuals and companies to integrate business process automations such as help desk, customer service, sales, marketing, project management, and analytics under one roof. The company needed to increase the number of leads delivered to its sales team, and they decided to use LinkedIn because they knew that it was the perfect marketing channel, thanks to its powerful targeting features. They also wanted to generate better inside reports on how their marketing campaigns were performing on LinkedIn, as well as on other platforms. The solution to the requirements was to use conversion tracking with sponsored content to track campaign effectiveness as well as return on investment, and they did so by simply checking in their LinkedIn Campaign Manager. They only had to integrate the LinkedIn Insight tag on their site, and they were ready to get it rolling out. Since then, ConnectWise has been getting nothing short of spectacular and ongoing results, including conversion rates that double the average conversion rates on LinkedIn by a cool 2%, thanks to sponsored content campaigns.